Keep flying.
I love you. You look pretty.
Oh, thanks. I love you too. Oh, he's not leaving. He's been guarding the bag to last like 20 minutes. Hello, loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we're gonna do another Costco haul, but Christmas edition. It is a few days before Christmas, and I just did the big holiday shop before, obviously, the holidays, and this will get us all the way through New Year's. So let's go ahead and start. But in addition to Costco, we also stopped at TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna show you guys what we found there as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this haul. P.S. I love how much you guys love these videos because I love going to Costco and TJ Maxx, so it's a win-win. All right, so the first stop was TJ Maxx. Now, we found a few cute things there for Christmas. We found some cute little napkins that said ho 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 Prosecco, and I am a Prosecco lover, so I thought these were too cute to pass up. And then I grabbed some Merry Christmas little napkins with the little red truck with the tree. Now, this has kind of been my theme for the year, and I already have a few packages of these, but I wanted to have an extra on hand or for next year. So I grabbed another pack of napkins, and then these are pretty stinking cute. Karen and Sawyer absolutely love Disney. Well, I do too, but they love it so much, and we found these adorable little Mickey Mouse plates, like holiday edition. They say Mickey Mouse, and they just have all these cute little Mickey Mouse drawings on them. So we thought it was really, really fun. So we grabbed all that they had, which were 5 of them. Now, I'm pretty resistant to having like plates that are just for seasons because we don't have much storage, but these were pretty cute to pass up. In fact, I was pretty against them at first because I was like, no, we don't have a place to store them. And then Karen's like, I think we need to get them. And I am actually really happy we did because they are pretty cute. So yeah, these are our new little Christmas plates. And then on the decor side from TJ Maxx, I grabbed this little cake stand. I like to use these to add height in certain areas, so I thought this would be good for a candle, either in the bedroom or in the bathroom, something like that. But I just liked the tone of wood, so went ahead and grabbed this. And then I grabbed a few rugs. Now, whenever I come across either black and white striped or like tan and black stripe, I always grab them because I like to switch out the rugs quite frequently because I'm always washing them. So I grabbed this tan and black stripe. This will be perfect in the kitchen. And they had 2, so I grabbed a backup. And then I grabbed this more burlappy, like jute rug. It's black and tan as well for the back door. So I'll see if this works, but I feel like we got pretty lucky at TJ Maxx today. So that is what I got from there. So let me get this off the counter and we'll move into Costco. So for Christmas, I've been decorating with red roses in some of the vases on the dining table as well as in the kitchen. So I grabbed a refresh to freshen the roses before actual Christmas. So I grabbed 2 bundles of roses to put around the house. All right, let's start with some of the cold items because we gotta get those in the fridge. I grabbed my package of organic eggs. I like to get them at Costco because they are a lot more price friendly. And then I grabbed the butter that I am always talking about. I grabbed another package of this because I know we'll definitely need it to make cookies and a few other things, so needed some butter. Grabbed a bag of chicken to have. For Christmas dinner, we will be hosting here. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 racks of lamb to cook. I don't know if I'm going to grill them or try looking at a recipe to cook in the oven because I know you can do racks of lamb that way. So I will try to get creative with that, but I absolutely love lamb and I thought that'd be a nice little treat for Christmas dinner. So that's what that is what we are going to be doing here. All right, in this next bag, we grabbed some of their pre-made garlic shrimp. We like just having little quick snack foods, and I thought that'd be nice to mix it up. And then we grabbed a container of the potato macaroni salad. Now, I've actually never had this one, but it looks good, so we're gonna try it. Got a package of romaine. I feel like we go through lettuce so fast here, especially with 3 people. So I feel like I can get through this before it goes bad. And then I've heard so many people talk about this Rao's homemade marinara, and it was on sale, I'm pretty sure, so I grabbed it to try it. I normally get the Kirkland brand, but I thought we would try a different type, and so I grabbed this. I'm out of breath over here. Alright, in this next bag, we grabbed another bag of the vanilla macadamia nut coffee. This is a staple in our house as well as a favorite. I think we've sent it to every family member for Christmas because we rave about it so much that I feel like everyone needs to try it. So if you're ever in Hawaii, you've got to get this bag of coffee from Costco. So good. And then moving into some veggies, I grabbed a bag of asparagus, some green bell peppers. We're gonna try. My mom loves cooking red beans and rice, and we ordered a ham bone from Honey Baked Ham. So we're gonna do some red beans and rice over the holidays. And then I grabbed the Oliver, get out of that bag. And then I grabbed a salad kit. This is the sweet kale. It comes with a poppy seed dressing, and I love that salad. I got the Mexican style cheese. Now I like to get this from Costco because obviously you get a lot, but it's really easy to freeze, so I'll just use one bag at a time, and then I'm not wasting it, but I still get the benefit of the price from Costco. And you guys know I would never go to Costco and not get my stuffed bell peppers. Poor Sawyer has eaten probably 1 million of these in his lifetime. And I grabbed it is true. So I grabbed another container of these just to have an easy meal on hand. There's a night I don't feel like cooking during the holidays, which will probably happen. And then I mixed it up this time. Normally I grabbed filet mignons and just cut them in half. This time I grabbed, what did I grab? I grabbed ribeye steaks because they were already pre-cut thinner than normal, which I thought was easy because I like to throw half of them in the freezer. So we're gonna do ribeyes this go around. All right, that is it in that bag. So you know the drill. I'm gonna quickly put this away and we'll move on to the next bag. Okay, in this bag, we grabbed some sweet Hawaiian rolls. They have fresh rolls at Costco, so I grabbed 2 trays of that to have. Since we did order a honey baked ham, we like to do little ham sandwiches, so that's that situation. More coffee, no surprise there. I grabbed a bag of pistachios. Actually, Karen did. Karen, I haven't had pistachios in forever. This is exciting.
Got a big bag.
I know. I love pistachios. Cool. And then over the holidays, we're gonna do like a pot roast, like au jus situation. So I grabbed the rolls, so that way we can kind of do like a French dip type of deal. So we got the artisan rolls, which are pretty close to ciabatta rolls. I was gonna cook a lot over the holidays. That was the plan. I was gonna do like homemade chicken noodle soup. And then I saw this chicken pot pie, and I thought that was easier. So we got a chicken pot pie from Costco, and I love that this whole chicken pot pie is only $18. Saves me money and time, and I don't even know how my chicken noodle soup would turn out, so this is a better bet in my opinion. And then I grabbed another package of paper towels. We were out of paper towels, so I grabbed another package. That's about the story on the paper towels. Then the last few items that we got some orange juice, grabbed more coffee creamer, and then we grabbed a few bottles of Prosecco from Costco. Highly recommend if Costco has like the wine or Prosecco or any liqueur that you like. It's always cheaper there. So we grabbed a few of the Proseccos that we like for the holidays. I think that concludes everything that I got from Costco this time, which is crazy. I didn't feel like that was too bad. Whew. Well, loves, there you have it. That was everything that I got from Costco and TJ Maxx for the holidays. So I think we are set for the next couple of weeks. And I know you guys always ask what my Costco run was, like how much it cost. And this one was about like $3.80 with everything that I showed you. So not too bad to be fully prepared with Christmas meals and everything for the holidays, and I got roses, so that was good. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.